Dear students, now let us look at the types of rail cars or the equipment. You can call the rail equipment. First of all, there will be a boxcar, standardized roofed freight car with sliding doors on the side used for general commodities. General commodities के लिए use किया जाएगा. Sliding doors would be there on the side walls, and it would be used for general commodities. के पास किसी भी आम जो अशिया हैं उनकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए it is used. It can be specially modified for specialized merchandise such as automobile parts, and you can actually make it specialized from the generalized scenario, such like automobile parts as well as for carrying automobiles as well. So you can modify it. आप उसको modify कर सकते हैं. Then a hopper car, a freight car with the floors sloping to one or more hinges doors used for discharge bulk material. So bulk material की handling के लिए that would be more appropriate. The hopper cars are used, so there are hinges and you can actually load or unload the bulk materials in it. Then covered hoppers are also there. A hopper car with a roof designed to transport bulk commodities that need protection from the element. So the normal hopper car would actually not have it does not have the roof in it, but for the covered hopper you will have a roof in it, and that roof will actually protect those commodities which you actually require to you actually need to cut off the connection with the environment or the air. So for such kind of products, the covered hoppers would be more appropriate. Flat cars, a freight car with no top or slides, used primarily for traffic services and movements of machinery and building material. TOFC, we have discussed it before for the freight cars, and movement of machinery and building materials. You would have bigger blocks with you, and they do not have the rooftops. So it's just like you will be loading it on some flat bedded surface, and that would be used to carry it. Yes, of course, there are ways to actually make it safer, but that flat car is actually not that safe. But it is very useful for the big building materials or the machineries, which cannot be actually put inside the covered roofs or covered hoppers or hopper cars. Refrigerated cars, a freight car with refrigeration equipment for temperature control. The major use of this car would be for the perishable items or cold supply chains. So with the emergence of cold supply chains, this has become more appropriate. So if you need to actually transport meat from one part of the country to the other part of the country, so what would be you be using then? You would be using the refrigeration car. आप refrigerated car को ही use करेंगे perishable items के लिए. Meat की आपके पास, even fisheries, you require such kind of cars, specialized cars. Gondola, a freight car with a flat bottom, fixed sides, and no top used, primarily for hauling bulk commodities. This is also for bulk commodities. It depends what kind of car is actually, or what kind of rail car is actually available in that country. This is one of the advanced forms, and it would have the fixed sides and no tops. So what will actually happen? You have the material handling wave should be such that the bulk commodity would be coming from the top rather than from the sides. So because you cannot put anything from the sides because you have the fixed sides. So flat bottom is there, fixed sides are there. The only way to actually transport or put the bulk commodity in is through the roof, because there is no roof, so it's uncovered car. Tank cars, specialized car used for the transport of liquid and gases. The question which that would be coming into the mind would be like gondolas, where you do not have ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर आपके पास, let's say the platform is not there, or you have a very scarce capacity in terms of like place, जहाँ पे जगह आपके पास ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो वहाँ पर आप उसे रख नहीं सकते. तो what will happen? You will just design a mechanism to put it inside from the roof side. तो जो uncovered है जो एरिया उनके पास, उससे आप उसको लिफ्ट करके करवाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो for with lesser space gondola cars would be more appropriate. And tank cars specialized हैं जैसे liquid and gases for that transportation. Of course, there are some safety measures which these tank cars actually have, and these are according to those measures. तो ये cars safe हैं and they would be actually according to the rules and by law इनको permit किया गया है कि they can actually transport it. So tank cars, yes, more specialized and used for liquid and gases, and all the other cars there could be some alternatives as well in there, but more specifically rail cars are specific for their purpose. उनके लिए जो purpose है वो उसके मुताबिक ही उनको चलाया जाता है, दूसरे purpose के लिए यूज़ नहीं किया जा सकता. Thank you.